How to fix Bank of America login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix your Bank of America login problem. So sometimes when you try to log into your Bank of America account, you will not be able to log in due to various different reasons and will encounter a login problem. So in this video, I'll talk about most of the common reasons and how you can fix them. So the first and foremost thing is make sure you have a stable internet connection, as Bank of America is an app that requires a stable internet connection to work. If you do not have a stable Wi-Fi connection or a data connection, your app will not work. Henceforth, you will not be able to log into your account. So once you've made sure you have a stable internet connection, second thing you have to check is if your app is updated to the latest version or not. So sometimes if your app is not updated to the latest version, some of the new fixes and features will not work, causing your app to have a login problem. Now the third thing you can do is basically try to reset your account's password, as even if your online ID is correct, sometimes your password will be wrong and you will not be able to log in. So just as a safety measure, try to reset the password of your account. Now once you've done that, if you're on an Android device, you can also try to clear the cache memory of your Bank of America app. Now once you've done that, simply check for any account restrictions on your account which may be causing you to not being able to log into your account. Now once you've made sure everything is correct and everything is good to go, if your problem is still there, you can simply contact the Bank of America contact support and they will be able to help you in your problem further. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.